What are we? Shoot, I had my glasses on, can't quite spot it. I'm sorry, guys. Put down your comments. I need your help this year. The two Chevys. I always like when they're grouped like that. So it's always kind of cool. And was at 61, 62, somewhere around there. 60, sorry. Nash, of course. Neat. There we go, little Mustang. Yep, Mach 1. Followed by a Nash Metropolitan. What a cool little car. It's interesting. That's a 356. Z28. That's nice. Victoria, do we have the glass? Nope. And of course we got the Model Ts. Isn't she gorgeous? It's nice early brass. I love it. It's about 1911, 1912, somewhere around there. Oh, look at this. EMF. Emmer, Metz, and Flanders. Later turning into Studebaker. Packard's coming. We missed you this morning. Beautiful Packard. So next time you have that Hershey bar, think of that.
Falling down and making people laugh.
Oh, so you weren't a stand-up comedian, you were a fall-down comedian.
He was a roller skating.
Wow. I'm impressed. If you were on Holiday on Ice, you have to be good. Oh.
I went to Holiday on Ice. I went to South America, Mexico, Puerto Rico.
Nice.
That show went out in South.
Oh, that's cool. Well, I'll tell you, you really live up to your reputation on skates here. This is interesting.
Right or left?
He's going down the middle, the motorcycle lane. Nice little eagle. Yeah, what a shame that AMC didn't come out with that early. Auburn. Aren't they gorgeous? A lot of style for medium price money. There's a Ford back there. I'm going to follow the Auburn. Oh, there we go. Honda. How you get them? It's cool. A lot of these mini bikes are coming in, and these scooters and stuff. Ford. There's always quite a bit of them around. And they're a fun way to get involved in the shows. Beautiful. I love the paint job there. And of course the GP. Big cars with hideaway headlights. Trying to be sporty. Chrysler wagon. Chrysler over there, but I got to capture this wagon. It's New Yorker. The way how the fins just go right back. Just love it. I love it. All right. Was that Studebaker? Nice preservation. You notice the trunk back there is interesting. Of course, our Mustangs. I want to capture these two Continentals coming through. That was Edsel's car. Those are still powered by the V12, flathead V12. Little square bird. Oh, look at that Ford. Again, I love the preservation class. Jaguar over there. Ford. These square birds really were underappreciated for so many years. People finally discovered them, how nice they are. Beautiful little coupe. Ford. Oh, look at the Willis. That is great. Beautiful. Nice hardtop. That was one of the many small cars of the 50s. Unfortunately, so it did not make it in this country. It made it down south in Brazil and such. They kept selling those for many years afterwards. Ford Depot hack. Here's another Willis. Wow, with the mark over there. I'm going to capture the Willis because you just don't see them. No, that's town car. Gorgeous. Little Mach 1. How do you capture that? 57. Galaxy over there. Nice. Galaxy 500 XL. I found this dusty rose color. I'm not sure what the official color is. Just so fascinating. And it's lovely. Look at it in the sunlight. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, Alante, I missed it. Looking at the birds go by. That's the 56. You see the difference between the 57, the 56. 56 was the only one with the Conti kit standard because they wanted more trunk space. Continental. It's the mark. Last of the biggies. We're getting a host of birds here. Here's your 55. Buick Grand Sport. Not sounding. Sounds like it's got something interesting in there. In from Ontario. All right. Dodge. Hello, International. There we go. Yeah, people don't realize, forget that they made the, there we go. They drove that in, by the way. So that's great. That is great. They have a host of nice vintage police cars. Great people. If you see them, definitely say hello. Of course, that was Packard. We have the Buick 41. Crank that wheel. Gorgeous. And we have our Chevy pickup. Little Vega. This is an extremely rare car in stock form and not rusted out. And look at that. No blue smoke. Wow. I think if they took it back to Chevy, they would fix it. Buick, of course, Mustang, little Fox bodies. There's such a following.